Multiple bar graphs are used to compare at least two sets of data from different categories. So let's write that here. So in this table, we are given with the number of cakes sold in a bakery. So we have two sets of data from December 2019 and data from January 2019. And we have these categories, which are the different flavors of cake. So we have chocolate, mango, vanilla, and strawberry. So we have 4 categories. Now let's construct our multiple bar graph. So first, step 1, let's write it here. Step 2 is to label your axis. So for the x-axis, we will be writing the categories. Next, we will be putting numbers in this part of your graph, which is the scale. Now, just a tip, in deciding on the interval of the numbers in your scale or the y-axis, look at the numbers in your data. Check if most of the numbers are odd or even, or if most of the numbers are multiples of a certain number. So in this case, our data here, most of the numbers given are multiples of 10. So I will be using multiples of 10 for our scale. So we have here. Okay, now that we have labeled both axes, your y and your x-axis, step 3 will be to assign a color for each set of your data. So for December, I will be using red. We are December. And then I will be using green for January. All right. Okay. So step 3 is to assign colors for your bars. Step 4 will be to construct your graph. Alright, so I will start with December. I will be using red. So for chocolate, we have here 90. So that means I'll go until here. Okay. And then for January, we have here 70. So be here. So as much as possible, make all your bars the same size. I will be filling in the colors later. Next, for the mango, we have 80 pieces sold on December. So 80 will be here. And for January, we have 55 pieces sold. So that will be between 50 and 60. So I'll just put it here. For vanilla, in the month of December, 85 pieces are sold. So 85 is between 80 and 90. So I will be drawing it here. And for the month of January, we have 60 pieces sold. So 60. for the last flavor of our cake, which is strawberry, we have for December 70 pieces are sold. And for the month of January, 40 pieces are sold. So, let's just make it like that. Okay. Okay, by the way, we forgot to put the label for the y-axis. The numbers in the y-axis represent the number of cakes sold. So please observe our graph for the multiple bar graphs, each category. The bars for each category are put together, just like this. But there are still spacing in between each category. So in this graph, you would see that the number of cakes sold from December to January decreased. And the most common flavor of cake sold is chocolate, both for January and December. And the least would be strawberry.